What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I am back from my family trip. So I am on my laptop right now, and I'm gonna go over very important points. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video, and just get it started. Okay, as I said in my previous video, there is a high chance that we are still getting rejected. In my Telegram, I am posting some of my trades, and I give you guys some of my opinions about where Bitcoin is moving between my videos. So if you haven't already, go ahead and join there. Okay, it's totally free. The link is on the on my profile, on the bio, on the top YouTube channel. Okay, so I have actually shorted video. I have actually shorted Bitcoin, and let me go to 4 hour chart. Let me just get rid of this. Because we broke and closed this candle, I was thinking that there's a good point to short, but I actually shorted before that because this candle I did not wait for it to close, but I saw that a lot of these candles are getting closed. So I got into short around actually 42,500 something dollars, okay? Price actually went back down in 4 hour chart. It closed below this support line, which we saw a lot of touches, and it went back up. But I was still confident that there is a high chance of getting rejected because of all these. Let me actually make this arrow so you guys can see it easy. Okay, you guys see this one, this right here, this closed candle, and this closed candle, and you guys saw that price only went up there to the supply and then crashed back down. Okay, a lot of people got into long actually because it was looking obvious that we are getting support around here and going up, which I mentioned in my previous video. I said there is still a chance, but I said if we actually break this support and we do not be able, if Bitcoin cannot hold above this line and this support, there's a high chance of going back down. But how low can we go actually? So let me actually zoom out to the daily. And sorry, my nose is just not doing great today. Okay. So I made this white support line because we had these two touches already, and there is no point of actually only relying on this yellow support because this yellow support is too sharp. The slope is too sharp. Okay, so there is still a chance that we break him below, touching this line one more time, which will be almost around, could be almost around $41,000, 41, 200. Okay, so there is still a chance of touching this level and getting another try for Bitcoin to go back up. It is still very possible. Okay, and if we go actually to the USDT, as I always show, if you're a new viewer, USDT dominance is whenever the percentage goes higher, but everything else crashes or goes down in price. So as you guys see, we found support. There's a double bottom in here, as you guys see. Okay, 1, 2. All right, and we see that it's breaking above. If we actually break above, there is a high chance of even going lower. So Bitcoin, it makes sense that it even crashes. Not crashes. I'm used to saying crash, but there's a high chance of going back down and meet around this line. Okay. So far, Bitcoin is doing what I've been saying, but I still actually said that there is a high chance of going back up here. But so far, we see that it is too weak to actually go up back up here. So, and it has actually broken below this line. There's a high chance of touching here and trying to go back up. Let me just show it with this ABC. So there's a high chance of actually seeing this happening, okay, because this triangle is getting wider and wider. We used to actually have this line as being like this. We change the triangle, which you have to do because you don't know where you have to see the price action to be able to exactly know where to go, where to draw your lines. Okay, so I am most likely gonna close my short position around this line and wait to see if Bitcoin gets another support here to go try to go back up. okay, which in USDT dominance we will see probably another try back down for a USDT. Okay, so in the weekly time frame, as I have been telling you guys, there's still a chance of touching this line, but it's not guaranteed because we see a lot of this shadow has been having has been messing with Bitcoin a lot. We actually make another line. You guys see all these candles are closing below this shadow line. Okay, this shadow, there's a lot of thing going on in this line. Okay, and so it's very hard. There is still a chance that we meet back down around this closed candle, because none of these oops. Okay, if you guys pay attention here closely, top of this closed candle and this candle when it opened, it will be around this area, which will be almost 40,000. Okay, a little bit less than that, but none of these shadows I actually touched it. And the reason we see that we do not really see anything higher, most likely when the next one, the third candle, like after this one closes and this one closes, the next one, usually if it touches this body, I've been telling you guys in my other video, if you pay attention and watch my videos, so none of these have touched them yet. So there is still a chance of going back down and even touch $40,000 and try going back up. Okay, so this area is going to liquidate a lot of people. So be careful. All right, and anytime anything, just we have a lot of ups and downs in the range, like pricing range, is very dangerous for traders. Make sure to put your stop losses for sure and take profits on the way, because a lot of times you think that this time is going the direction you want, but you see that it does the opposite after finding support or resistance somewhere. Okay, so this is another thing. None of these are financial advices. These are just my education and my experience for you guys. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. I will come back with another video. Peace.